Keep Safe Cymru card is a scheme whereby people who need a little bit more support in communicating potentially gives us more information earlier in order we can better identify a need that a person may have before we respond to give that provision of service.
It was apparent early days that a number of veterans had registered for the scheme, so we made the decision that we would then look at the Armed Forces Covenant. It fitted into what we should be doing as a public service with the Armed Forces Covenant, and for the last 18 months I've been working with Army Wales to launch Keep Safe for Veterans, which we've done today.
Really excited to be here today to be present at the launch. They have, let's just say, peculiar needs sometimes, having been exposed to things that perhaps you and I need not ever be exposed to. They carry a considerable burden upon their shoulders. Sometimes there's a need to release that pressure, and very often it's the police that are in the front line in response to that need. If we are better sighted, better informed, we can identify and engage better and give a better solution to those persons in those times of crisis.
In the forces, we are made to think that showing any sign of weakness is wrong and bad for morale. It takes a lot for an ex-service member to step forward and ask for help. Those like me only eventually seek it after having some form of severe crisis. The quicker we can let somebody know, the quicker things can be put in place to help. Just knowing we have a card on our person can make a great difference.